Listen carefully. When a woman pulls away, most men panic. They text more, call more, chase harder, and in doing so, they destroy every ounce of attraction she once felt. But here's the truth. If you understand female psychology, you can make her chase you again, 90% of the time. Not by playing games, but by mastering one simple skill: emotional control. In this video, I'll reveal exactly how to flip the dynamic, how to make her miss you, crave you, and chase you, without saying a single desperate word. So, stay until the end, because once you understand this, you'll never chase another woman again. 1. When she pulls away, don't react, reflect. Most men think attraction dies when she starts pulling away. It doesn't. In fact, that's when her emotions are testing you the most. She wants to see, will you remain calm, centered and grounded, or will you collapse into fear and insecurity? When you stay composed, when you don't react emotionally, her subconscious mind feels something powerful: respect. And respect is the seed of renewed attraction. 2. The power of emotional distance. Women don't chase men who are always available. They chase men whose attention they have to earn. When you pull your energy back, not as punishment, but as peace, she starts to feel your absence. And when a woman feels your absence, she starts to question herself. Did I lose his interest? That's how curiosity becomes desire. And desire becomes the chase. 3. Use the mirror effect. The mirror effect is simple. You match her energy. If she texts slow, you text slower. If she gives one-word replies, you reply with calm, short confidence. You're not ignoring her. You're reflecting her energy, emotionally mature, detached, and in control. This tells her subconscious, you're not needy, you're selective. And that's when she starts trying to win you back. 4. Reignite her emotional curiosity. You don't get a woman to chase by begging for her attention. You make her wonder what's changed in you. Start living like a man who's moved on. New habits, new energy, new purpose. Post less, but look more alive. Let her sense that you're not sitting around waiting for her. In female psychology, nothing reignites attraction faster than a man she thought she knew, becoming unpredictable again. 5. The scarcity principle, psychology's secret weapon. The more she feels she can lose you, the more valuable you become. Scarcity amplifies desire. It's how the human brain works. When you're not constantly available, her mind replays old memories, old feelings, old desires. Suddenly, she starts wondering who's getting your attention now. And that uncertainty becomes obsession. Remember, distance creates desire, and mystery fuels emotion. 6. Don't explain your silence. Let it speak. Most men can't handle silence. They break it too soon. But here's what you need to know. Silence is pressure, and pressure reveals truth. When she reaches out, don't rush to reply or explain where you've been. Keep it calm, keep it light, let your composure make her nervous. Because when you stop explaining yourself, she starts analyzing herself. 7. The moment you turn the tables. Once she starts reaching out again, don't jump right back in. Rebuild the dynamic slowly. Be warm, but not overeager. Women chase what they can't fully have. not what's sitting there waiting. So, give her small doses of attention. Keep her guessing. Let her feel that she has to earn back your energy. That's when she'll do the chasing, even without realizing it. 8. The masculine shift that changes everything. The real goal isn't to make her chase. It's to become a man worth chasing. When you stop reacting emotionally, you shift from chasing approval to commanding respect. That shift alone transforms how women feel around you. Because deep down, every feminine woman wants a masculine man who leads with calm, confidence, and mystery. You see, you don't get her to chase you by trying harder. You get her to chase by becoming unavailable to weakness. Once she feels that you're emotionally grounded, detached, and living your purpose, the energy flips. She starts to crave your attention again. So, next time a woman pulls away, don't chase, stay calm, and let her feel the silence she created. Because when you understand female psychology, silence is your loudest message. If this message hit home, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep psychological wisdom about attraction, masculine energy, and the female mind. Remember, you don't chase women, you attract them by mastering yourself.